Hello lovies, welcome and welcome again. My name is Miss Masao and thank you so much for clicking into this video. Grace and peace everyone. So today we are going to be making beef samosas. This is part 2 of the first video that I recorded. You can go ahead and watch the first video on how to make samosa wraps. So thank you so much for clicking. Please do not forget to like, comment and share with your loved ones. It truly supports my channel. Thank you so much and let's get straight into the video. As I said before that I do have part 1 of this video on how to make these samosa wraps, which as you can see they're very flaky and very crunchy. Please go and watch that first video and then come back and watch this one. And also don't forget to subscribe lovers, it's totally free. So let's get straight into the video. You're going to take your pan and put it on a stove. Then you're going to add your minced beef. Now, I minced my beef by myself by using a food processor. If you're interested, please let me know in the comment section below so I can show you guys how to do so for those who have a food processor at home. Now, I minced mine with some onions already, but if you don't have a food processor, as I said before, just add in your minced beef. Then you will add in your chopped onions, very tiny, small, cubical chopped onions. And then you're going to be adding a little bit of oil, approximately 2 tablespoons. Now for all the ingredients, I will list them in the description box below. Please make sure that you check that out so that you know all the ingredients that you need before you start making your samosas. Then you'll go ahead and add in your oil as I told you before, and you'll keep on turning the meat until it all gets enough amount of oil, and then you will let it cook until all the water dissolves from the meat and the meat is dry. Then you're going to be adding in your green chopped onions as I did so, but this is also optional. If you don't have green onions, the normal onions are absolutely okay. Then you'll add in your soy sauce, approximately 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and then you'll turn everything around just to make sure that everything, you stir everything just to make sure all the soy sauce has been covered in the meat. After 2 to 3 minutes, you're going to be adding your small chopped carrots. You can add as many as you want or as little as you want. Now, carrots do add some sweetness into your meat, which is very good for samosas. And I do advise that you add your carrots. You can also add your bell peppers if you do have them, and that's okay. Then you're going to be stirring everything around and let it cook for at least 2 to 3 minutes before you add your next ingredients. After 2 minutes, you're going to be adding in your peas, and then you're going to be stirring everything around and let it cook also for at least 2 minutes. Then you'll go ahead and add in your oyster sauce. I use Mafuta oyster sauce. Just add in 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce and stir it around, and then you can go ahead and test for salt at this point, because you don't want to add salt at the beginning because you're going to be adding some soy sauce and oyster sauce, and they all do have salt. After testing and seeing that you don't have enough salt and you need some, you can go ahead and add in just a pinch of salt and keep on stirring it and let it cook for at least 2 to 3 minutes, and then your minced meat is going to be ready. You can also go ahead and add in your dhania or coriander, but if you don't like it, you can skip this process. It's absolutely unnecessary. You can see I'm scraping the bottom of the pan because that is where all the flavor has stuck. So that's why I'm doing so. But at this point, your beef is ready. You can just let it cool for at least half an hour until it's completely cool. Then you can go ahead and start wrapping our samosas. Now for wrapping our samosas, we're going to be needing some glue. So you'll add flour and a little bit of salt and some water, and then you're going to be mixing it around until you get a texture that resembles a pancake texture, and that is going to be our glue. Please don't use water because your samosa are just going to be unwrapping while frying, and you don't want that to happen. Now for making these pockets, samosa pockets, you're first going to be folding your wrap into half, then add your glue at the edge of the first half, and then fold the other half to meet the half that has glue as I did before, and then make sure that in the middle you get a pocket. And when you're making these pockets, the side that was facing the pan, the side that was a bit round, the side of the wrap, is the one that goes on the inside, and the side that is soft and smooth and silk is going to be on the outside, so that you get that soft, smooth, sleek samosas. Now I know most of you have seen those samosas which they have like some pimples. Those samosas were folded wrong way. As you can see, that side should be on the inside. If that side is on the outside, then when you're frying it, the samosa is going to be having lots and lots of pimples, and you don't want your samosas to be looking ugly. No, 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 no. You want your samosas to be looking really, really cute. So that's what you're going to be doing. After you're done with making these pockets, you are then going to go ahead and fill in your samosa beef, and then after filling it in, you're going to be folding that half, taking the glue as I'm doing so, and just adding it on the edge of the triangle that's at the top, and then folding it down as you saw. Make sure that your samosa does not have openings. Please do cover those openings with a little bit of glue, because once your samosa has openings, when you're frying them, they will automatically open and they will be filled with oil, and you don't want that. After you're done stuffing them, this is how they're going to be looking, like some triangles which are stuffed. Then now you're going to be frying them into a large wok or a frying pan. You're going to be adding your oil and let it get a little bit hot. Please use medium heat, do not use high heat, because high heat will actually burn your samosas and they will not be cooked all the way through. And then adding your samosas. Don't overcrowd your pan, and let them fry. Once they start to brown, you can go ahead and flip them. Please be gentle with your samosas. Don't be tossing and turning them all the time, because you know these ones are filled. They can easily unwrap. As I said before, once they're brown on one side, you can go ahead and flip them out. But as I said, also be gentle and let them also fry and turn brown on the other side. Once they have all turned a little bit brown, don't let them darken so much, just light brown. You can go ahead and start removing them from your pan. So this process may take up to 10 minutes depending on the amount of samosas you have kept on your frying pan or your wok. Just remove them and put them on a place where they can release excess oil, and after that your samosas are ready. Now I only showed you how to make beef samosas. You can make so many types of samosas. There's sausage, there's chicken, there's vegetables, vegetable samosa. Just be creative and make as good as a filling that you would want or you would like for your family. These samosas are so delicious and very quick and easy to make, but please do make sure that you watch part 1 so that you may know how to make these wraps, because this is the crucial part on how to make your samosas. If you mess on these wraps, then game over for you, baby. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share and comment, and do not forget to subscribe. I'm begging you, please subscribe. It's totally free. Guys, I know you heard that crunch. I mean, please make these samosas. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, comment and share. See you next time, lovies. Bye bye.